In front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down right away to click on Accessibility Features. Following that, select one-handed mode and use gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Now follow all of those instructions. If you are using Tricky's navigation, slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. If you are using gestures, do exactly the same, just after sliding, hold for a second. So when I slide now, as you can see, oh so sorry misclick, one-handed mode is working properly. If you want to go back, click on black area. If you want to change placement of your screen, just slide in an opposite direction, like that. To disable one-handed mode completely, go back to the same settings and tap on the now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!